Hello everyone. In today's video we will see how to find out which all cells contains formula in Excel. Now for example, I create a sample of data here and now I don't know which cells have formulas. Now there is an easy way to find out which cells contains formula. So just follow these steps. So now right now I'm on the home tab and here select find and select and then click on go to special and here select formulas and then click on OK. So once you click on OK, all those cells get selected which has formulas, as you can see here. So in this way we can see those cells which has formulas. For example, let me click on this cell and you can see here this has some formula. So in this way we can find out which all cells have formula. Hope you like this. Thank you.